Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD, and as per our expectation, gold went up and reversed from the 1830 level. To be precise, not 1830 because I had an alert on 1830, but it came down from 1829, I guess. So my alert was not triggered and I missed the opportunity. Anyways, so let's see what are the trading opportunities for the day. So first of all, let's discuss about DXY. Yes, DXY is still the same in a sideways, typical sideways market. That's it. Okay. Right now trading at 96.14. And as you can see, just like yesterday, DXY is in the middle. Middle means it can go up also, it can go down also. So there is no logic behind predicting that no DXY will be going up, DXY will be going down. No, DXY is in the middle right now. We do not have any proper support here. Okay, so it can go down also and it can go up also because it is in the middle. Okay, so just keep in mind, if it goes down, then we have a support at 95.80 to 95.50. This is a very strong support zone for DXY. If it comes down to this level, definitely there will be good reversal. There's a good possibility of DXY reversing from this particular level. Okay, and on the other hand, if DXY goes up, then the trend line at the top, this blue line, will be acting as first resistance. Previously this line was not there, but yesterday I saw that yes, apart from these two levels at the top, we also have this trend line acting as the resistance. So in case DXY starts going up from here, this will be the first resistance, and from there is a possibility of reversal. So if DXY reverses from the resistance, it means that gold will be going up. Okay, similarly, if DXY bounces from the support zone, then there is a possibility of gold going down. Clear? So keep your eyes on the DXY as well. Right now it is in the middle, no need to do anything. Okay, when there will be some good movement on DXY, then watch DXY carefully. But one more thing that I would like to show here is the currency strength meter. In the currency strength meter, you can see that USD is green. It means that USD is bullish today. So there is a little bit of a possibility of dollar. Okay, right now you can see that dollar has formed a red candle. So there is a possibility of dollar going up from here because dollar looks bullish today. Dollar is positive. Yeah. Just keep in mind, if dollar goes up, we have three resistances, and once market will reverse from the resistance, there will be some good buying on gold. Now let's talk about the gold USD chart. Now to be honest, the levels are almost same. Okay, nothing has changed so far, but yes, you can see I have added two lines here. So let's talk about these two lines. First of all, the strongest resistance right now in this market is 1830 to 1832. This is the strongest resistance zone on the chart of gold right now. Apart from this level, do we have any other level? No. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that apart from the 1830 to 1832 level, we do not have any other strong resistance zone in the market. Okay, there is a difference between strong resistance zone and minor resistance zone. Yes, there are some minor resistance zone at 1820, 1824. Those are minor levels. The strong levels, the strong presence of sellers are only at 1830 to 1832. So there is a possibility of market reversing from this level again. If market reverses, we can definitely take a sell position. And on the other hand, if gold starts going down, keep in mind that we have dynamic support as well. If you do not have these lines on your chart, then you can draw these lines. So there is a possibility of gold bouncing from the trend line. Yes, possibility of bouncing from a trend line, and it would be around 18.3. Okay, 1803 to 1804. So just watch out on your chart. If gold goes down, then there's a possibility of bouncing from this level. In case this trend line fails to provide support to the market, this is our first support. In case the trend line fails to provide support to the market, then we can expect 1800 to 1799 to provide the next required support to the market, this level. And to be honest, there is a good possibility also of market bouncing, because previously it was not a very strong level. 1800 level was not a good one, but right now slowly and slowly we are seeing that buyers are accumulating in this region. New buyers are joining in. As a result, this level is becoming stronger day by day. So in case there is a fall in the market, we can expect that 1800 to be a good support right now. Not the strongest support, but to be a good support. In comparison to this trend line, I'll say that yes, 1800 is a better support in comparison to the trend line. So these are the levels. Okay, let me repeat again. If market goes up, then yes, we have a possibility of gold reversing from the resistance zone of 1830 to 1832. This is a resistance zone. And in case it comes down, then the trend line will be acting as a first support. But yes, the trend line is not that strong, so we can rely much on the support level of 1800 to 1799. In case everything fails, then we have our old friend 1790 because 1790 has been acting as a very crucial level for gold for many months. So these are the levels. And one more thing, sorry, one more thing that I would like to add here is, though gold has been trading in an upward channel here, you can see gold is trading in an upward channel here, so looks like a positive market. Okay, listen to me carefully. Looks like a positive market. But yesterday it failed to cross the previous high. Okay, that is a matter of concern, or that can be a matter of concern. Yesterday it failed to cross the previous high. It is also making new highs, new lows as well. Okay, higher lows as well. But yesterday it failed to cross the previous high. If I backtest the chart, okay, you can see previously also when gold was forming, okay, uh, lower highs, there was a sudden fall in the market. I was backtesting the data in the morning, then I saw that yes, see, 1 2 3, boom, fall. Okay, so gold is following, maybe gold is following a pattern where after 2 3 or 3 4 higher lows it is going down. So there can be a good fall in the market as well. Be careful. That is just my observation. I'm still not sure yet, but yes, I was just backtesting the chart and I saw a few things like this. Okay, let's see where the market goes and how the market reacts. Just keep in mind that be careful, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because this is your hard-earned money and it's your duty to protect it. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.